Assalamu alaikum wa sahlan. This is the series of Arabic reading course for those who cannot read and write Arabic. I will start from zero to explain how to read and write in Arabic. So, let's seize the day. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. Subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel. So let's start. This video will help non-Arabic speaking children. So there are some important points you should know. So the first one is Arabic is read from right to left. Next, there are 28 letters in Arabic language. Some Arabic letter has similar sound like English alphabets. This is the best way to remember the sound of Arabic letters. Next, some of them has no equivalent sound in English. Next, some letter has totally different pronunciation. Though it looks same, but it has totally different pronunciation. Letter is pronounced with lots of emphasis of throat than the letter of English. So focus on. I'm going to start right now. First letter is alif. Okay, how to read it? Alif. And it sounds like a or a in English. Next is ba. Ba. It sounds like b or b in English. Okay. Next is ta. Ta. It sounds like t in English. Okay. Next letter is tha. Tha. It sounds like th in English. Okay. How to say tha? Hold your tongue between the upper teeth and bottom teeth and then say tha. Okay. Ba has one dot down. Ta has two dot up. Tha has three dot up. Okay. There are two types of letters in Arabic. First one is light, soft. Okay. The other one is heavy. A, ba, ta, tha. These are soft and light letters. And how to pronounce it? The same way we pronounce apple. A, ba, ta, tha. Next letter is Jeem. How to read it? Jeem. It sounds like J in English. Okay. Next is Ha. Ha. It sounds like H in English, but it gives more emphasis on throat. Okay. The sound comes from the throat. Ha. Next is Kha. Kha. Okay, and it sounds like KH in English. Kha. Jeem has one dot inside. Okay. Ha has no dot and Kha has one dot above. Okay. Jeem and Ha are light letters, soft letters. How to pronounce it? The same way we pronounce apple. Jeem and Ha. Here comes Kha. Kha is heavy letters. And how to pronounce it? The way we pronounce orange. Orange. So same way we will pronounce Kha. Okay? Kha. Next letter is Dal. How to read it? Dal. It sounds like D in English. Okay. Next is Zal. Zal. It sounds like DH in English. How to pronounce zal? Hold your tongue between upper teeth and bottom teeth and then say zal. Okay? Next is raw. Raw. It sounds like R in English. Then za. Za. It sounds like Z in English. Dal, zal, ra, za. These all are soft, light letters. We have to pronounce in a simple manner like apple. Dal, zal, ra, za. Next letter is seen. Seen. It sounds like S in English. Next is sheen. Sheen. It sounds SH in English. Sheen. Next letter is sod. Sod. It sounds like S but heavy. Heavy S. Okay. Next is dodd. Dodd. It sounds like D but little heavy. Dodd. Okay. So, seen has no dot. Sheen has 3 dot up. Sod have no dot. And dodd have 1 dot up. Seen and sheen are light letters, soft letters. How to pronounce it? The same way we pronounce apple. Seen and sheen. But sod and dodd. Sod and dodd are heavy letters. How to pronounce heavy letters? The same way we pronounce orange. O. So same way sod and dodd.